In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make one cell change based on another in Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheet. In this example, I'm using a simple to-do list where each task has a checkbox. When a checkbox is checked, I want the task text to automatically switch to a completed look, like a strike-through. This is done with conditional formatting, which lets Google Sheets change the appearance of cells based on a rule. Start by highlighting the row or cells that you want to be affected by the action in another cell. For example, if your task text is across a row, select the cells that contain the task description, not the checkbox itself. Take a second here to make sure you're selecting everything you want to change when the checkbox is clicked. Next, go up to the menu bar and click Format, then choose Conditional Formatting. This opens the Conditional Format Rules panel on the right side. In that panel, confirm the range is correct. This is important because conditional formatting only applies to the range shown there. If you accidentally selected too much or too little, adjust it before you continue. Now, under Format Rules, click the drop-down that says Format Cells If, and select Custom Formula Is. This is where you tell Sheets exactly what to look for. Enter a formula that references the action cell, which in this case is the checkbox range from E3 to E9. The key idea is that your formatting should trigger when the checkbox is checked. In Google Sheets, a checked box equals true. So in the formula field, type an equal sign, reference the checkbox cell for the first row, and compare it to true. A common way to write this is equals E3 equals true, making sure you're referencing the checkbox cell that matches the row you're formatting. Then, under Formatting Style, choose the effect you want. For a to-do list, select strike-through so the task looks completed. You can also leave the rest of the styling as is to keep it clean and readable. Click Done to save the rule. Finally, test it by checking and unchecking the boxes in the reference cells. As you toggle each checkbox, the selected range should update automatically, giving you a fast, visual way to track completed tasks.